Are you tired of losing track of your work hours and struggling to stay productive on the go? In this video, we'll show you how to master Clockify on your phone for seamless time tracking, so you can log hours, manage tasks, and boost your productivity from anywhere. First, if you haven't already, download the Clockify app from your app store. It's available on both iOS and Android. Once installed, open the app. You'll be prompted to log in. Use your existing Clockify account credentials, or if you're new, create a free account directly within the app. The main screen you'll see is the timer. To start tracking time, tap the play button. Clockify will immediately begin recording your time. You can add a description of what you're working on in the description field to associate your time with a specific project. Tap on the project selection and choose the relevant project from the list. You can also add tasks and tags to further categorize your time entries. Tasks allow you to break down projects into smaller, manageable pieces, while tags let you add custom labels for better reporting. When you're finished with the task, simply tap the stop button. Your time entry will be saved automatically. To view your track time, tap on the Timesheet tab here. You'll see a list of all your time entries, organized by date. You can edit entries, add new ones manually, and review your overall time spent. Finally, to gain insights into your time usage, tap on the Reports tab. Clockify generates detailed reports that you can filter by project, task, user, and date range. This helps you understand where your time is going and identify areas for improvement.